Hey everyone, this red light therapy mat is exactly what I needed after long days on my feet. It actually helps me feel better without any weird side effects. But let me explain why it's worth checking out if you're dealing with muscle soreness or just want to sleep better. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I've tried a few recovery tools over the years, but most either felt too bulky or didn't cover enough of my body. This mat is different because it stretches from head to toe, 75 inches long and 35 inches wide, so I can lie down fully and let the lights do their thing. Whether I'm targeting my lower back after a workout or just relaxing before bed, the coverage makes a real difference. I also like that it's made with medical-grade TPU, which feels sturdy but still flexible enough to fold up and store under my bed when I'm not using it. One of the best parts is how customizable it is. There are 3 therapy modes to choose from, so I can switch between red light, 660 nanometers, for surface-level relief and near-infrared, 850 nanometers, for deeper muscle and joint support. I usually start with the red light when I'm winding down for the night because it helps me relax, and then I'll use the near-infrared setting if I'm dealing with stiffness after a run. It's nice to have options without having to buy multiple devices. I was also surprised by how easy it is to use. There's no complicated setup, just plug it in, lie down, and let it run for the recommended session time. The mat stays cool to the touch, so I don't have to worry about burns or overheating, even during longer sessions. Plus, it's FSA and HSA eligible, which is a nice bonus if you're trying to use health savings funds for something that actually works. I've been using it for about a month now, and I've noticed my recovery time has improved. I'm not waking up as sore, and my sleep feels deeper, which is a win in my book. Another thing worth mentioning is how quiet it is. Some recovery tools can be distracting with their noise, but this one runs silently, so I can use it while watching TV or reading without any interruptions. The 2600 LEDs are evenly spaced, too, so I'm getting consistent coverage across my whole body. I've even used it on my shoulders after a long day at work, and it's made a noticeable difference in how my muscles feel the next morning. Now, it's not perfect for everyone. The size might be too big if you're short on space, and it does take up a lot of room when it's laid out. Also, while it's durable, I'd still be careful with pets or kids around it since it's not exactly lightweight. But for what it's designed to do, it delivers. Pros-wise, the full body coverage and customizable settings really stand out, and the fact that it's FSA/HSA eligible makes it more accessible. The quiet operation and medical-grade materials are big pluses, too. The only real downsides are the size and the fact that it's not exactly portable, but those are trade-offs for the benefits it provides. If you've been looking for a way to ease muscle soreness, improve sleep, or just feel better after a long day, this red light therapy mat is worth a try. It's not a miracle cure, but it's one of the few recovery tools that actually lives up to the hype. Check the link below if you want to see the details for yourself. For most buyers, the real question is not whether full-body red light therapy mat for pain relief and recovery, FSA and HSA eligible, 75-inch by 35-inch infrared light therapy blanket with 2600 LEDs, 660 nanometers and 850 nanometers, improve sleep, muscle and joint relief. Home use sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like recover faster, feel better every day, experience powerful, and your personal recovery system at home, whether you're an athlete, actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile. After the first few days of excitement wear off. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like full-body red light therapy mat for pain relief and recovery, FSA and HSA eligible, 75-inch by 35-inch infrared light therapy blanket with 2600 LEDs, 660 nanometers and 850 nanometers, improve sleep, muscle and joint relief. Home use usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.